Yolissa here once more. This is today's packaging. So when I open the bag, of course I see the wig first. That color looks bomb, by the way. I got a pair of wig caps in the package, as well as, you know, some elastic band branded Yolissa, and lastly a pair of lashes. There is absolutely nothing else in today's package. So let's see this wig. Okay, so today's wig, guys. Oh my gosh, this is so gorgeous. Super gorgeous. This is a body wig, as you can see. This is 26 inches long. What we're doing today is a 13x4 lace front medium cap size highlighted wig. This is 200% in density. Grade of this hair is 10A grade. As you can see, it's processed. Okay, it's processed, and these highlights are really nice. It is not super silky. It's on the coarser side because, of course, you can see it's processed and stuff. But I'm so excited for it. It's full to the tip. The movement is really nice, very bouncy. So I love that. So this is how the inside looks. Standard cap construction has 3 combs and adjustable straps in the back. If you want to go in and tint and bleach this, you could go ahead and do so, because it doesn't come with all of that. But what I'm gonna do today is a glueless install. So I'm just gonna use my Got2b spray to, you know, get that laid. So let's jump into installation. So I'm going to take my Got2b spray to go right across the hairline, and I'm going to fast forward through this portion. I'm going to be using my blow dryer on cool air to get this dry. This definitely doesn't take a long time to do. Done with, you know, applying the lace with my Got2b, and I don't think I want to do any baby hairs at all. I just want to have that nice pullback look because the color of this wig is blending into my skin tone so nicely. So I just want that effortless kind of vibe, and the curls look so good. So I can just imagine when I run my fingers through them how fluffy and bouncy everything is going to look. Cause we be on a top floor, oh we feeling so high. Don't be afraid of falling. As you guys can see, this is a center part that I did. You definitely feel free to go in and do like a side part So I'm gonna go ahead and just remove the elastic band now. So there is some shedding. I don't know if you guys can see, but I'm getting a few strands, and I know that's because of the processing. So be mindful when you get processed hair, it will shed a little bit more than like the normal 1B color. Guys, this is so pretty. This is a vibe. Like, get all the way back so you guys can see how gorgeous this is. This is so nice. We gon' fly, 'cause we be on a top floor. Oh, we feeling so high. I feel like, of course, you know, no baby hairs, no edges kind of vibe will always make it a little bit simpler when installing a wig. The curls, well, these, I love the waves, you know, and the color. I love this ash blonde highlighted vibe. I always prefer a more ash blonde highlighted kind of vibe. I just love it when it's not like brassy or too coppery looking. This is super nice. So shout out to Yolissa wig. I feel like this 26-inch is giving 30. Usually when I get a 30-inch wig, this is how it would look. So for 26 inches, this is bomb. All right, because like what? So you can imagine a 30-inch, and I've worked with them multiple times before where I've gotten long wigs, and they are true to length. So if you're looking for a company that gives good like lengthy wigs, Yolissa is definitely one of them. I would highly recommend. Quality of this wig feels good. So because, you know, it's processed, the shedding is a little bit more than normal 1B. So be mindful of that because it is processed. It has, you know, went through a lot more than the average colored wig or hair. So it's a given. But be sure to check out my description box for all the details on this wig. You know, the specifications will be listed, as well as the direct link where you can purchase this if you're interested in getting it for yourself. Yeah, I hope you found this video informative today, guys. I really hope you did. And if you like this look, go ahead and give this a thumb up, this video, and subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. And that's it. I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, just go on, make up for yourself.